Are you holding a winning stock? Maybe it's up huge and you're wondering, when do I take profits? Or, hopefully not, but maybe you're holding a losing stock and it's drawing down, going down and down and down. And you're wondering, what in the world should I do? Should I sell it? Or maybe you're on the sidelines and everyone else, all your neighbors are hooting and hollering about all the money they're making. And you're wondering, should I get in? Maybe you have a broker or a broker, one of these boutique brokers, and he's telling you, you got to get your money in the market. I'm Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com, and today is Sunday, March 3rd at about 10 a.m. Now, you may not consider yourself an active trader, and that's totally fine. You may consider yourself an investor. You just want to trade or know when to get in and when to get out for purposes of your IRA account or your 401k. Let me show you something. By the way, to introduce myself, I am Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy, CADDIE.com, if you want to learn more. This is our flagship product, SMC Swing Machine Plus. And we have made an edition just for you. And all of our annual members, by the way, they will be getting an amended or an updated copy of this before the week is over. We have the S&P 500 stocks all loaded in here. The trade signal comes in here. It tells us whether we want to be long or short. And if you don't want to short, I understand, but you probably don't want to be holding it or being long when the machine is short. But this is where the signal comes from. This column tells us the age of the signal age in bars. So for instance, this signal on Lowe's, the LOEWS Corporation, has been long for 186 days. 186 days. Now the purse is calculated, we plugged it in, if you had put in $10,000. But the new column is now the percent return. We've put this in because you may want to use 100,000. You may want to put in 5,000, 50,000, up to you. The percent return from this signal is 26.95%. The entry price was $58.63. The date and the health of the trend, which is getting a little bit of selling, and then the fear gauge. Now what you want to know is, well, Don, can you show me the percent return on all S&P 500 stocks through the eyes of Swing Machine? And yes, I can. Our number one stock is, this is the label row, is AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. 81 days ago, if you had a Swing Machine, you would have got this buy signal at $112.25 on November 3rd. You would be up 80%. The trend is extremely good. The fear gauge is in euphoria. Euphoria. The likelihood that, I almost lost my voice there, it got so high. The likelihood that AMD pulls back to its mean is about 95% over the next 25 or 30 days. But you may say, hey, Don, I'm an investor, not even a daily swing trader. I'm in it for the long term. And we're going to show you that in a moment, what you can do with Swing Machine. But look at all the percentage returns. 80%, 81 days ago. Here's 60%, 76 days ago. This one here, 42%, just 26 days ago. What has it done on all 500? Let me show you. Now, we may be long, we may even be short. I'll pick one out. Here's one here. Here's Pfizer. It recommended shorting 175 days ago, and if you had shorted it, you'd be up 31%. But let's scroll down. Scroll down. We're profitable. Percentage is green, 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 green. We're watching that percentage return column. And here we are, out of 500 stocks, out of 500 signals, Swing Machine is profitable right here. We got to widen this out of here a little bit. 413. Now the yellow ones mean he's trying to signal right now. He's trying to let you know that there's an opportunity in these 10 or 12 stocks. Could be short, could be long. And then, yes, he does get them sometimes wrong, but out of 500 stocks, Swing Machine is profitable or flat in 426. And then the rest, yes, we are experiencing a drawdown, but notice the worst is down 14%. You see, Swing Machine doesn't get caught up in the emotions of fear and greed. Nope. He will kick them out. He will hold the winners long, and he will get rid of the losers. And he will do it over and over again. Day in and day out, month in and month out, year in and year out. In exactly the same fashion. You can fire your boutique broker. You can cancel your subscription to the Wall Street Journal. What you need is Swing Machine Plus. Now, you might say, well, Don, I don't want to trade on a daily, so that's fine. Let's change the interval, all symbols, to a weekly basis. And let's sort them. Are you kidding me? What is this, Don? Quanta Services on a weekly basis, 196 weeks ago, a 468% return. Makes AMD look like a pork chop. Kidding. Here's NVIDIA, 305, a three-bagger. Here they are. Now, out of all these stocks, let's scroll down on these. Stay with me. Out of 500 S&P stocks, Swing Machine, let's sort them again. Let's do it again. Bear with me. Got out of sync there. There they are. I want to make sure we get them in order. Okay, that should do it. We're sorting them. The sort can be done automatically. Now, some of these could be shorts, and they're up. If you don't know how to short a stock, you might want to learn, but that's up to you. You don't have to. Some of the government won't let you short a lot of times in your 401ks. But what we want to see is the percentage return. How many stocks on a weekly basis is Swing Machine up? 417. He is profitable, or she is profitable, in 417. By the way, ladies make much better traders than men. So we want to make sure we use the right gender here. And so out of 431, she is either flat or up. And now, yes, on a weekly basis, there are some drawdowns, but they're not bad. The worst one is 18%, and there's just one of those. We could even change this to a monthly. I'm Bagger Don at Stock Market Caddy. This is Swing Machine Plus. It is one trading tool. It is our flagship product. We have over 70. These are decision-making trading software. Trading, but you define the interval. If you want to trade intraday, fine. If you want to trade on a swing basis, you want to invest on a daily or a monthly basis, weekly basis, you define that. It's up to you. But remember, 90% of short putts never go in the hole. Translation, if you don't get the putt in the hole to the hole, it won't go in the hole. If you never try, if you never define for yourself what you're trying to do, you're probably not going to get there. Swing Machine is about empowering, enabling you to play your game. We're not going to define that game for you. We will help you. We will provide you the tools. But for better or for worse, you get to define the game that you want to play, not some boutique borker. Have fun, everyone.